important notes and course navigation. Hi everyone and welcome to this course. In this video I will give you a brief introduction to the course and to what you can expect. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Martin Yanev and I am an aerospace and a software engineer with many years of experience in the industry. In fact, I'm currently working in the industry in United States. I've been working for a lot of years in the aerospace sector in United Kingdom, developing complex software solutions for the aircrafts. So I will be more than happy to share all my plenty of experience with you. You can also access my YouTube page, youtube.com/martinyy, where you can find a very useful videos that will definitely help you boost your career to a next level, and where I'm giving a very important advices to the future engineers and developers. But why learning Python for networking? Well, see, as the software development expands and also in general, all the specialty related to computers will expand with about 22% in the next 10 years, the networking is quite important. Because more computer systems are built, so we need to learn how to program those computer systems and make the connection between them more easy to assess. And for that reason, this makes this course and the information here of a key importance, especially if you want to work as a software network engineer or system administrator. In fact, I can tell you that most of the information technology jobs out there are requiring some sort of understanding of what is network and how you can assess it. And this is what you will learn in this course. Python is actually the most useful tool for assessing different systems over the network and extracting information from them and then analyzing it. So this is what you will be learning in that course. It is very important once you start the course to be very clear about your experience and about your expectations from the course. Now, if you're an absolute beginner with Python with no prior experience, this course is still good for you because I included 2 introductory sections for Python, and I advise you to take them even though they are not related to Python networking. On the other side, if you have some Python experience and you know the basics, you can simply skip the introductory sections and go straight to the Python for networking. If you have the clear expectations, then you get and have a clear outcome for your goals. So what I want you to do is always, if you have some question or you don't understand something from a video, please repeat the video. Don't study for the hours, but study for the skills. Now, I always advise my students to always try something new and modify the codes that I'm providing to them. So, for example, I will be very happy once we write a script that you go back and modify some functions, parameters, classes, and objects, and then run the code once again and see what's going to be the difference in the outcome. In that way, you can understand in detail what I'm teaching and how the script actually works. Trust me, that will give you a lot of experience, and the final skills that you will build from that course are going to be way more. So always try modifying your code and always practice your skills because it is very easy to remember for a few days or years. But trust me, after a few years, or in fact 4 years, you can forget absolutely everything that you learned. So I always want to practice your skills, and hopefully once you find a job, you practice them every single day. So this course is built to be very clear and that you don't have any questions about the material taught inside. However, if at any point you have a question, please ask them in the Q&A section, and as we have more than 150,000 students enrolled in my courses, there will be always somebody that will be able to answer your question. So feel free to post it there, and in that way we can build a strong community that communicates with each other, which definitely improves your connections in the industry. And finally, if you really feel that this course is definitely the one that can boost your career and it really helps you learn a lot of new things for Python, please give it a 5-star review. In that way, you will help other students to also access this course, as it will be way more discoverable on Udemy. So if you haven't done it yet, go to the top right corner of your course content and give it 5 stars. This really helps me enormously to continue building courses for you. And finally, If you felt that this course is completely outstanding and you want to share what you achieved, please feel free to share it in the social network. Share it with your friends, with your family, with everybody you know, even with your employers. In the past few months, there is a quite nice trend that students start sharing the certificates that they built from that course in LinkedIn, which really helped them to find new employers and boost their career. Also, if I see that you share some of the certificates that you get from this course in LinkedIn, I will be happy to go in your profile and endorse all of your skills. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this introductory video, and I will see you in the future sections of that course.